Hey guys, welcome to another Adobe Masterclass tutorial powered by Kayshow Concept. Kayshow Concept is Nigeria's foremost digital marketing agency, and Adobe Masterclass focuses on training you in the areas of graphic design, video editing, motion graphics, and visual effects. And today we are concentrating on Premiere Pro, and I quickly want to show you guys how you can do a reverse effect in Premiere Pro. So let's dive in. So you saw how that reversed the other way. I'm going to play that again. So you see the video goes in from out here, plays, and when it gets here it reverses back. Okay, that's how you do the reverse effect in Premiere Pro. It's very simple, guys. So quickly I'm going to delete everything I have here so I can start afresh. Okay, so the first thing is to bring in your video. I'm going to drag and drop that into Premiere Pro. I'm going to right click to create a new sequence from the video, and I already have my marker set here, so it's going to be very easy for me to locate that part of the video. So I'm just going to come right here. That's the part. First thing I want to do is to unlink my video and audio so that they don't disturb each other while I'm cutting and reversing. Then I'm going to grab my razor tool. I'm going to click to cut out that part. So the first thing you want to do is to mark out the beginning part of where you want to reverse and the ending part of where you want to reverse, and the ending part is right here. So I'm going to grab my razor tool again and cut. Okay, so I'll go back to my selection tool. Now I have the part of the video I want to reverse. So if I play this, I just have it play normally like this, and then it moves to the next thing. So what I'm going to do now is, for me to reverse this, I have to give space for the reverse effect. So I'm going to, with my selection tool, click and drag this, trim this a little bit to give space for the this video here that I want to duplicate and reverse. So I'm going to put my playhead right here at the very end of that clip. I'm going to select this, Ctrl C on my keyboard, and then Ctrl V to paste. So you can see it pasted it immediately after this first one. So I have two of this video now. Again, if I play this, I just see it repeats itself. So there's no reverse effect happening here. So all we need to do now is to reverse this second clip. So I'm going to right click on that. To reverse, all you need to do is to right click on your clip and choose speed/duration. And when you get here, you just want to check on the reverse speed. And once that is done, you click OK, and now the clip is reversed. So I'm just going to click and drag this to cover up this space. Alright, and I'm going to hit the play button. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. My name is Gabriel Showale. I'm popularly called Kayshow, and the Adobe Masterclass focuses on graphic design, video editing, and motion graphics. If you want to be part of our next training in Nigeria or Ghana, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to know how to register. It's been wonderful sharing this with you guys, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us across all social media platforms. It's your boy Kayshow. Boom!